Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Western Europe and a neighbor to France, Netherlands, Germany, and Luxembourg. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Belgium, 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 Belgium. Belgium is known for its rich cultural heritage and delicious cuisine, including famous chocolates, waffles, and beers. It's also recognized for its medieval towns, artistic heritage, and as the headquarters of the European Union and NATO. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Belgium, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.